Hi, so today I'm going to be doing a really quick video on open house. Do I go or don't I go? Let's say that you see a house that you really love and there's an open house in 2 days. Do you go? My biggest suggestion is talk to your realtor. Generally speaking, realtors don't like to be kept in the dark. We are working diligently to help you and your family find a new home. It also gives us the option to look at the home and see, do we even need to go? And realtors a lot of times will reach out and find out some additional information. Say, for example, if you were to go look at the house before the open house and put an offer in, would the sellers look at it? Could they get an offer accepted before the open house even starts? You know, is it prudent to go look at the house and put an offer in? You don't want to waste your time. Realtors don't want to waste their time. Our time is valuable. It's more important that we spend it with, friends, family, and those that we love. So that's it for today. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. I'd be more than happy to help.